After the gummy core was invented, we began to mix other stuff with gum rust. First, we mixed bubble bombs with gum. Once we did, gum turned into a liquid-like stuff that was extremely sticky, and that's how the glue was made. Then, we mixed honey with gum, but the gum didn't change at all. Gum got only sweeter. We kept mixing and we mixed gum with star jellies, and after that, we discovered our Goo invention. And in fiction, if the royal jelly is able to change bees into different bees, why not to change people into someone else? We chose star jellies for better effects. Or we thought, we will take one of our workers just to show how it works. At first stage, after injection, nothing interesting happens, but after an hour, the headache starts and the weird test of sweetness is starting to fill over the victim's mouth. At second stage, the skin starts to deform, most parts are beginning to turn into goo through time and the headache starts to hurt easier. At the middle stage, the victim starts to feel terrible pain and it will do whatever it needs just to get rid of that pain, including ending their own life. Oh, he did it. If he did, he won't be just aggressive, and everything that is living touches won't be infected. After that, we decided to discard this invention from our workspace. We decided to never ever touch this thing again for our and other safety. We will keep searching for more inventions to do. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.